Not good. Not good look. I'm sorry. Yummy, yeah, yummy. I like boiled egg, Roger. I heard my stomach. Ah. You see here. Oh, you look fine. You're joking me, Roger. No, 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 not look fine. Because my hair is that good. I love rice. Oh, see, my hair is missing.